Let's try that again. Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike. Hope you had a wonderful night last night. Looking for an amazing trading day. We do that every single day. Let's head on over to the day trading room. There's some exciting things happening today in the stock market. We're going to check it all out. So here's the, I got CNBC going on right there, but that doesn't need to be happening now because I got the switch. Let's head over to the main screen. I got CNBC going on right there.
And charge fees. So it's not a material impact on the banks, but it does highlight the declining revenue growth in the financial industry as a whole. You're reducing the frictional costs of finance, and that's a good thing for consumers. But what it means for the banking industry, it means revenues this decade should grow the slowest in 80 years, 80 years.
Nice.
So if you're having
So let me
slower
see if I
revenue
can bring in
growth, what do you
Boas
need to
now.
do? You need to control expenses,
Yeah.
and the way you do that is with technology. So we're about to enter the golden age of banking and technology. You're going to see technology applied at banks like you've never seen it done before. Oh, and by the way, banks have no choice. Banks are spending $150 billion a year on technology. So they better get
already in there trying to transform them.
But they better get the results. The last 25 years it has not really worked.
Yeah.
Scale has not been better. Scale now is better at the biggest banks. You're now seeing that Goliath is
The death of commissions.
when you look ahead, I mean, right now you see the biggest
You add up the
decline in
commissions
history,
for trade,
biggest
you know.
decline in employees in history. Looking ahead this decade, we think there will be a reduction.
If you are a new trader or like not an active trader, you know, it's very enticing to you. It's sexy, great commissions, and thanks. But if you're a trader and you've been trying to make 10, 20, 30,000 a month, spending $5,000 to $10,000 in commissions a month and giving these guys commissions, it's a completely different ball game. Completely different ball game. And it should do pretty well. I think it's going to, it doesn't really matter because most people that are active, I'd say 70% of them don't have over $25,000 to even trade with. So you're trading like on the platforms that I am, which is like TFS, and you're a member of a trading firm and you're paying commissions, but that's the offset. So hopefully one day, I doubt these guys will ever do that, but the big boys, Interactive Brokers, Charles Schwab, there's no commissions. Let's see what their websites look like. Schwab eliminates all online U.S. ETF and options commissions. Effective on 10/7. It was amazing. When I was trading with Schwab, I'd have a problem with the order. I'd call in, I'd get 50 free trades. And then when that go up, I call in with another problem, and they give me another 50 free trades. It's amazing. So now they're just giving it for free. Amazing. I got that on the screen right there. All right, let's look at Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers, new, coming IBRK Lite, commission-free trading. Coming in October, unlimited commissions. Hey, they got the same background on their site as I do. Look at that. Same background on MOJO Day Trading. So if you come here to like, what is that? I had it on stocks maybe? No, that's my stock market background. Ooh, some technical analysis for Apple. Sell! Some good things on the MOJO site, guys. Some good research techniques right there. I had that on the back of day trading. Watch lists. No, I know I had that background somewhere. Stock watch list. Anyway, check out day trading right here, folks. You want to become a day trader, just click that, read all that. I can actually put that on the back of that. I'm going to do that. Little note to do. So let's see what's hot and what's not this morning in the stock market. I'll give you the top 5, and we'll take it from there. Let's see what the top 5 biggest gainers are in the NASDAQ. Oh, this guy's cutting his tie. Check it out. Guy just cut his tie on CNBC.
I'm tech analyst. I'm joining the ranks of the Silicon Valley because if you are a banker, you must be at least a part-time technology manager.
Those shoes are too good. You got to go.
Okay.
I worked the tie out because you didn't want it.
Yeah, I asked my wife, what's the ugliest tie in my glasses? She picked this.
You did?
Yeah. There you go.
All right. Mike, thanks a lot. Congratulations on your induction.
There you go.
Let's get down to the New York section.
Congratulations on your induction. So I wrote this blog article yesterday called The Dow Megaphone Pattern. I don't know if you've ever heard of this, but check it out. Go to mojodaytrading.com, click read more. Oh, there's the background. It's on my blog. Dow Megaphone Pattern right here. So the Dow Megaphone warning has sounded. Attention all traders, beware of the Dow Megaphone Pattern. The bottom line is I am calling a stock market correction today. We traded UVXY as fear comes into the markets. Traded it back here, traded it back here, and I traded it right there. This is the 60-minute bars. So in 3 hours, it went from 25 to 27.50 straight up without stopping. Beautiful move. We traded yesterday in the MOJO Day Trading room. So now October 1st of 2019, the tides are changing, and I can hear the megaphone being turned on. The Dow is now 26,700 and sliding lower, but in a very orderly fashion for now. But beware, as I said, you better watch out. You better not cry. Pro Trader Mike is going to tell you why. The Dow is about to take a crashing, you know? It's the megaphone pattern. Take a look at this chart and compare it to the 2015 chart, almost exactly the same, with a big gap to fill to the downside. And right here is my megaphone I drew. Whoops. Right here. So you have this big run up, and you could see this line going across, and this is like a whoo, like a megaphone. And from here, it's going to come down. You could see it right here. You could see this like megaphone. In 2015 and 16, down megaphone pattern. So what's the play? Long UVXY at $27. And if the market drops, volatility comes in, the stock flies once again. The high on UVXY on August 15th was $39.67. So I would consider this a nice discount. Dow megaphone, can you hear me? There you go. That's the Dow megaphone pattern. I will take this, share it with my peeps. Gotta do a little tweet, guys. Give me a second, because I gotta share my blog post with my fans, my followers. Got 51,000 of them to take care of. I'll take this. You better watch out. You better not cry. Dow megaphone pattern to the downside. Better watch out. Better not cry. Because we're making money in the market. I don't know about you guys, but let's minimize the CNBC for the moment and check out what we got hot and what's not. in the market. Let's see what we got. All right, so we got on the top Ameritrade. This is this company that's offering the discount commissions, and the stock dropped. It was up here at $50. It is $34.16 by $33.17. So that's how you manipulate. See the 18? You can buy 5,000 shares at 17 right now on that 100. If you were trading like in that contest. See, now it's 21 by 27. This is going to be a good trading stock today. Is the Ameritrade 32.18 entry on that on AMTD. Looking for the bounty, the bounty trade play. I call the bounty the quicker picker upper, because this big spill that everyone did, and everyone's going to open. Everyone's going to be like, I'm dumping it or I'm buying it, and we'll catch that wave on it and kick ass on the bounty quicker picker upper. I'll show you what that is right here. Here's the bounty. Okay, I got my both of my boys right there. That's Bobo Snare and Mr. Ram. Bobo Snare and Mr. Ram coming in for the bounty quicker picker upper on Ameritrade in the MOJO Day Trade room. If you want a free pass for the MOJO Day Trade room, just look down in the description. There's a free pass down in there. Come and trade with the team. As the team comes in, Pro Trader Joe back on the scene. Pro Trader Mark always on the scene. Bohan, been with us for so long. 10 years, amazing. The MOJO Day Trade room is results oriented. It's not just like a not a bunch of blah blah. Absolutely not. It's results oriented. That's why these guys stay here. It's a $149 a month subscription. They've taken my MOJO Day Trading course 5, 6, 7 times. It's ingrained in their brains, and they know how to trade with a solid system. So let's check out what's hot and what's not with the top 5 today, as I showed you I was going to do before. So we'll do that right now on Mojo for the top 5. So the top one is IMRN, IMRN, the symbol, and it's Imuron Limited. It's 360 by 63. The high was 410. I saw the high earlier at 4, so it must have made a run back up. Already tippy tapping on that 4. I think they already have put that out into the room this morning. This was a perfect shining trade play yesterday at the end of the day. Check out this trade at the end of the day. This is the down megaphone pattern right there. You can see the megaphone. It's got a 30% move to make. A lot of people are calling that down megaphone pattern right now. So I nailed from 2277 to 2370. Check this out. So right here, I'm coming in. I'm like, Ramey goes, let's check out Peloton, Mike. PTON. I got to add that to my screen too. PTON. And I got Uber up there. So I'm like, I like it on the 23. There's a signal right here on the bid at 98. It's not support. It's weak. It's going to go under. So I want to catch it under 23 on stopping station. 2282, 2286 right there. And I'm getting some 977 to 82 on overstock yesterday at the end of the day. And then look, we got filled right here, 2276 by 2279 at 3:08 p.m. in the afternoon. And then kabam, 2277. Here, look at it right here, 2334. We risked like a nickel and made 60 cents. It's amazing. A perfect shiner right there. Everyone bought it up here, got burned right here, and then it tracked back. See these 3 lines? That's the shiner. This is where we bought it, right in this downtime. This first line is called the spit. That's when the market makers spit on you because you bought it here, you lost it here for a loss, and then like, yeah, you're a terrible trader, and he spits on you. And then right here, the second line, he vomits on you, pukes. And then the third line is just read out murder. Red room, like The Shining. You just want to throw your computer out the window. And if you look at that, that's called the Shining trade play. We come in on the down destruction, wait 1, 2, 3 bars, then scale in 1, 2, 3, ride it right back up for the shiner, just like that. Image 1, image 2, and image 3, the shiner. Learn that in the Mojo University courses. And you also learn about level 2, but there's no level 2 in there. So don't look for no level 2 in there. He's a shoe shiner. Another great day in the Mojo room. There wasn't one pick that didn't work today. We nailed it. UVXY, new high, 27.60. Loving UVXY. And Peloton, 22.62. Heinz, 28 on UV right there. And that's what we nailed. So let's check out the stocks from this morning. Here's the leaderboard. Most active is Dave Trader, then Pro Trader Ramey and Allen and Mar and Eagles Rock and Renteria. This is the top 10 most active traders in the Mojo Day Trade room. And then here's the news on Imran. Should you be concerned about Imran's limited historical volatility? Anyone researching this stock might want to consider the historical volatility of the share price. Okay. I'll share that with my base. And let's see what else they got. Implied open is down 134 points in the implied open. All these guys will join right here. If you double click on the button for the chat right there, you'll connect to my voice. Ameritrade, I like Ameritrade today. It's 33.25 now from the 32.18 entry right there at 9:06 a.m. Beautiful. Second one on the list is TSG. I saw this at $21.50 earlier. It's $20.30. The Stars Group at 16 to 23 on 4 million shares, up a lot. Let's look at what the news is on this. TSG. This is the Stars Group. Up 5 points. Flutter stock soars on deal to create the biggest online betting company in the world. Nice. Flutter soars. I tweet that, put it out to my base. UK betting giant Flutter has agreed to buy Canadian online gaming company The Stars Group, creating the world's largest online betting operator. Sweet. Flutter, normally known as Paddy Power Betfair, what a name, said the merger with Sky Bet and PokerStars owner would leave it ideally to capitalize on the booming US PokerStars, baby. Nice. Charles Schwab rolls out the free trading, baby. Let's check out the CNBC. See what they got going on.
You can value all those houses at pennies on the dollar. Pennies. Don't you take my houses away. You're already ruined the ratio.
Mojo's on with Squawk Box with Kramer and the boys right now. All four of us.
If there's any kind of truce or peaceful discussion next week, and if the market buys it, then it's going to stick.
Yes,
then this conversation is going to be.
Calm down, Kramer. Grab your coffee and put your hands down.
We listen, stop tweeting, and listen to me. I'm talking about PayPal. He tweets, I text. Yesterday,
I'm tweeting too.
PayPal is probably the most significant announcement that has come out since the trade talks got bad. The Chinese okayed PayPal to buy a company in China and become a huge credit company. Now, it may not be initially in China. Now, that was a signal.
There's going to be little spin-offs now of all great payment processors online, replacing the banks and PayPal, Stripe, and all these Venmo and Zelle. Wave of the future.
I'm saying the Chinese were making signals, and because this market's so negative, no one even paid attention.
The Chinese just follow what they do.
Now, I want Dan Schulman on right now, because Dan Schulman is the CEO of PayPal. That is the most major breakthrough for financial.
Whatever the Chinese do, just let them do it first and then just copy them and make it a little bit better and a little bit sweeter. That's all. They're always on the forefront of doing everything first.
Our president wished him a happy 70th. I don't know. I wouldn't have wished him a happy birthday. But I do think that there are positive signs, but they're not being regarded as positive, or they're being overlooked. The Financial Times led with the PayPal story, but nobody cared. Nobody cared because United National Foods had a bad quarter.
Oh, the first one was IMRN.
I'm fed up with the negativity. I'm getting nervous. Stop it. I didn't do anything. The podcast people think that you're making fun of me. The faces. You're making the faces.
Oh, stop it, Jim.
You don't think the tone has changed? I mean, look at the stitch. I'm using examples. McCormick.
I think the mindset of
times have changed. They're still manipulating it, but they're manipulating it a little bit less, trying to keep the people in with free commissions now. Stupid.
And I point out
Stitch Fix as the key to this market. Stitch Fix.
I am saying that if Stitch Fix had reported in March or April.
I'm saying, Jim, listen. To hold stocks overnight, you got to be absolutely crazy. Crazy. Unless they're fundamentally smaller stocks that distribute and have attributes of the Ken Slim system. Amazing earnings, amazing sales, something new. Shares outstanding are small. It's got a high relative strength. It's got mutual funds behind it, and it's in the top 25 sectors. That's it. Find a stock that has those 7 characteristics. You'll be pretty safe, whether it is on the large cap side or the low cap side. You always got to be invested in the market at all times, 100%. Never with cash on the side, but never being fully in cash, because there's always new America stocks hitting the scene on a daily basis that are the next market winners. Even if the market's going in a downturn and a correction. And now let's see how all these guys start trading with the... he's back. Who's back? Nathan's opening his doors for free today so you could see how profitable his service can be. Oh, nice. At 12 p.m. noon, there are no requirements other than showing up. Nathan will be running a scan using his 3 proprietary setup he's perfected over the years, and you can get a front row seat on the action. Very nice. Okay. Jason's got a nice little free day today. Patrick's live. Day trading small cap stocks. Let's see him. Here's Patrick. Skip ahead. See what he's doing.
There is no. It's not a percentage gain. It's about who has the most equity in their account by the end of the week.
Oh, he's talking about the day trading contest.
That's what it comes down to.
Was it 9:12?
Yeah, we'll find out who is the worst trader as well. We're gonna find out who's the best trader and who is the worst.
Who's the best trader on YouTube,
trader on YouTube.
We'll see how much.
All I hope is that I'm not the worst trader. That's all I hope. As long as I'm not the last place, as long as I'm not the last place, that would.
But you gotta trade stocks over $5.
If everybody beats me, I might just quit YouTube. That's what I might put on the line here. If I'm the last,
must trade stocks over $5
in this contest.
You got it.
I might just quit YouTube forever. Third from last.
With minimum volume.
We'll see. I mean, I know if you ain't first, you're last. Trust me, I know how that works.
So you can display
for this contest alone. I just want to make sure I'm not the last place.
yourself
I mean, I think
as
it's
a
a really good chance
real
I'm going to win, but
day trader.
yeah, I would also like to not be last.
As a real day, I'm writing in this thing now for the first
That would be
time.
kind of nice. Do a live fishing stream.
Yeah, dude, I'll fish with you. I got my kite rod, bro, and my I got my Shimano's, my gold shoe. I'm ready to go, bro. Do some kite fishing.
This morning,
Must trade stocks over $5. Must trade stocks over $5 with minimum volume of 100,000 shares. So you can display yourself as a real day trader. Stocks like Roku, Uber, Twitter, like those kind of stocks. Roku, Uber, Twitter, the ETFs like UVXY, JDST. These should be the criteria for the stocks selected as that's real day trading. Limiting to 20 trades a day, not 10. Because then you look for the small one-hit wonders. And that's not day trading. Because I'm going to join. Because I am joining. Because I'm joining and want best chances for the contest to be legit and real. So I got 2 messages on there. See what he's got to say.
Happens.
He's reading it.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
Pro Trader Mike.
Yep.
Seems like he's angry.
No, not angry at all.
Limiting to 20 trades per day, not 10, because then you look for the small one-hit wonders, and that's not trading. Because I'm joining and want the best chance for the contest to be legit and real. I don't know if I would. I don't really care what stock they're trading as long as it's as long as it's a NASDAQ listed stock. I mean,
what if it trades no volume and you're playing the spread?
No penny stock, no OTC, no options. That's really all it comes down to. You can trade it however you want, but yeah.
Looking forward to it.
I'm dying. Kayla Renee, she got the cure for me.
I like seeing your stories.
She got the cure for me. You know, and also at the end of the day, the best part about this YouTube trading
I'm not mad either.
is that people are going to have to basically show their trades and all that. So if someone does do something that's like it's very obvious how stupid it was, like if someone trades some stock that has 0 volume and they make a bunch of money,
that's
I
what
get
I
it.
want.
Like you can do that, you can do that, but it's going to be pretty obvious, so everyone's going to see that. So if you want to be that guy, like if you want to be the guy who does something stupid like that, then be that guy. That's that's fine. But like I said, you're going to be that guy. So you basically are going to be publicly humiliated. That's the best part about it, is I get to make videos every day talking about all the other traders. So I'm excited for that part. I love some good drama.
Hold on a second. Let's see what's going on. I'll be right back. What time is it? 9:18. Alrighty, folks, back. Someone come to the door to fix something. The dog's gonna bark, but whatever. It's all good. Ameritrade. Wow, it freaking rocked, dude. It's 33.70 now. Holy crap. From 33.18. Yeah, there was a contest. I was on Pat's live stream just now. Wow. What a great move on the Ameritrade. Holy mamacita. Wow. Amazing. Time is it? 10:09:21. Almost time for the market to open. Let's see what they're saying on CNN. Nothing. It's a commercial on CNBC. Yeah, I was just live on Pat's stream. That was pretty cool. You couldn't believe I was on. Nice. All right. Let's see here. Get the room going back again. Dogs are barking. Storm. Let's get the trading going. CNBC's back on. CNBC.
The numbers, instant reaction and analysis. Friday on Squawkbox, 8:30 a.m. Eastern.
AXSM
continues to echo around Europe, Asia, and this morning again on Wall Street. Futures down 183 for the Dow. We'll see if anything changes when the opening bell rings in 8 minutes.
They got not a lot of stocks on this gainers list and these active lists. It's going to be a very patient day today. Picking key spots on some quality stocks. UV's right at $29. Make this a little smaller. So yeah, that's cool. He's gonna on the Dosh Traders actually doing the contest too, which is nice. It's a really good platform. All right, I got that. You know, it's amazing. The guy sent me a message saying I'm such a scam because I don't show my trading and I'm such a scam. But when I do show my trading, they said I'm a scam anyway. And then I show the runes trading and they say it's not real. It's unbelievable. It makes no difference. So we've got Imrin 365 by 368, TSG 2020, AXSM 1745 on the bid, Axum Therapeutics, TVIX. Oh, the haters. Gotta love the haters, man. Can't forget. I gotta love them. They support me, man. They give me all the attention. At least it's someone giving me some attention. I know. As long as we're making money. Let's see what else we got. You guys, $14 on the daily's been spanked. Let's see what else we got. It's 9:25. 5 minutes to the open. Another commercial on CNBC. Imran 65 by 67. It's been to 410. TSG 23. It's 2031. Going higher right now. What's up, Alan? Good morning. Welcome back. Happy New Year. This guy wants to match his $1,000 winner to a $2,000. Funny. 2030 on TSG. Let me put up Ameritrade down here. $33.72 on Ameritrade. TSG's got volume. 5 million shares traded in that stock. There's a new site I got this email on. Look at what it is. Called Sprint Trader. It's just a small deposit, but you got this PDT rule. The power of it with no lower account. Most day trading have hefty minimums. Hinder new traders from taking advantage of the same reason. At Sprint, we democratize across powerful trading tools by keeping our funding account for as little as $2,500 with 4-to-1 leverage. But are you getting around the PDT rule? I'll have to check it out. They sent me an email. Now accepting accounts with $2,500. Designed for a trader, team of around 20 years, decision, save money, make It's going to take 4-to-1 leverage, so you get $10,000 with your $2,500. This account for $2,500, you get $80,000 in capital. So decide what's better. Ameritrade's $33.90 now. 1 minute to the open. So I'm going to head off the air right now, guys, and do a recap later on with the trading. If you want to trade live with me, just look for the links in the description and head over to the MOJO Day Trade Room. Until then, keep it profitable and see you later. Peace. Mojo's out.